Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on how to destroy these searchlights. So if I enable silencer, right, let me equip the sniper and see, now it's disabled. So they do get alerted because even if I have the silencer, when the searchlight get destroyed, they hear the noise, so they get alerted and start searching the area. But since they don't have anything to see, taking a look, so those are enemy bugs. So if I shoot this one also, they get alerted. Okay, but they are not seeing me, or because they are not hearing me, because I have the silencer enabled. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna work on today. Okay, so to work on destroying searchlights, we need to go into nighttime, because searchlights not working on daytime. So we can simply switch to nighttime by giving a night time value, something like 20. That means 10 p.m. Now we have the night searchlights in the night. Right, so what's next? Okay, so let me open Searchlight blueprint. And do we have any here? If I shoot on the light, it should destroy. So for the light, I'll change the collision. Oh, I don't need to change the collision because it's already blocking the bullet trace as well. So what I need to do is, we have an interface that we implemented before, PPI damageable. Now here we do have an event under damageable on bullet hit. Well, we can implement on fire hit as well and explosion hit as well, but for now let's implement on bullet hit. Now this should not be destroyed if by chance this can be hit by the enemies themselves, because enemies can be shooting from anywhere. So but we need to avoid that. We should only destroy this if the player hit if player or some other party shoot at the searchlight. So first we need to check who is shooting and what team the shooter belongs to. So for that we can use the operator, and if we don't have a valid operator, we can just consider it as destroyed, can be destroyed by anyone. Right, so I return damaged, and also we should stop working. This light should stop working. For that we do have some method, disable, yeah. So while we return this, we can call disable function. If not, that means if we do have a valid operator, what we should do is we can get the ID from the operator and from shooter is enemy. We can check if the shooter is an enemy by comparing the team IDs. If yes, again we should disable, otherwise we don't have to do anything. Right, and after this get disabled, we should prevent getting further hits. I mean, we don't have to destroy it again and again. So we can have a branch and check if this is not disabled. Wait, what's the variable? Sweeping false. Okay. No. Let's have a do once. Wait, can we do that? Because this is a function, so I don't think do once makes sense here. What we can do is, when we call disable, we can just disable the collisions of this searchlight. Oh well, we can set collision enabled for all actor. Oh wait, no. Set actor enable collision. Yeah, now by passing a false, we can disable collisions. Right, now we should not be able to shoot it again and again. Now let's see. Wait, it didn't work as I intended. Let's see. Yeah, why is that? Alright, I think I only disable if we don't have a valid operator. Yeah, here, notify character event. So when we kill the operator, if you remember the way we did it, if we kill the operator, see, now the searchlight turns up. Now it's disabled, but in this case we don't have, if we just call the disable, we don't get that. So in check state, we check the validity of the operator. So but I don't want to mark operator as invalid here, because that kind of could be a little bit confusing or inconsistent. Therefore, I'll introduce a new boolean variable, disabled. By default, it should be false. Okay, now here, instead of checking, before checking the operator, I'll add another branch to check if it is disabled. So if it is true, we don't have to do anything. If it is false, we should. Okay, now here also I mark the operator as false or invalid when I get shot. Instead of calling disable, I'll set disabled instead of calling disable function, I'll call set disabled variable to false. Sorry, to true, not false. Now let's see. Nothing happened. Why? Right. Well, actually it does work, but it does not turn up, because turn up happens inside this disable. So therefore, when I call true, I'll call this. Now it should be more obvious. Yeah, okay. And when we shoot, obviously we should turn off the light and maybe add a spark. So to do that, yeah, we can spotlight. How to disable this? Hidden it here. Set visibility to false. Yeah, it did turn off. However, as you can see, the line trace still happens. Why is it always red? So we need to stop doing the line trace. But why does it happen? Okay. We have a timer here. Trace enemies, yeah. We should stop this. We can promote this to handle. Trace enemy timer. And when I call disable, we can get trace enemy timer, clear and invalidate. Now it should stop doing the line trace. Yeah, see, no more red dot. But I get detected because of the sound. Well, that obvious. I should have used a silenced weapon. So I can actually do that. If I press X and enable silencer for the gun. Okay. Now we also need to disable this white light as well from the material itself. To do that, we have a parameter. Where do I set it? Oh, here. We set the material, but I don't want to call sunrise or sunset here. I'll just copy this part. Light on, light off. Yeah, we need to set light on material. So that means this. So basically we assign this light off material which does not have any illumination into the material index 1, which is this one. Now it should turn off that too. See, normal light. And the next thing is we should have some spark and some sound, of course. So spark, do we have any spark? Is this a texture? This one? I do remember having some sparks for this. Wait, is it here? I think it's for them. Let me check. Yeah, that's what's that particle? Here, this one, jammed particle. Right, this is the particle. Okay, so basically I need to enable and disable it in a while. So how? Let me select this, and for the searchlight, get the searchlight. System attached on the searchlight, and Niagara system is jammed. This jammed spark, and we should destroy this in a while. Wait, this is a function, so we can't do that. We can't have a delay. So how can we set the timeout for that? Oh, we can't set a lifespan. Right, I'll do this. Let me cut this. And add a new function, new event called system event explode light, and paste these things here. Now we can add a delay. Oh, let me promote this to a variable just in case. I'll call it ns spark and delay. Delay. So let's say 0.5 seconds, and destroy component. Now we need to call this event from onBullet hit. explode light. Right, that's it. Oh, it instantly destroyed with existing particles, which is not cool. How do we destroy it? Well, actually, yeah, we can do this. Let me duplicate this one. 𝐿S_spark. I'll call this 𝐿S_spark looping. This is the original one. Okay, and this one 𝐿S_spark. So now here in this emitter state, I'll set the loop behavior to once. Compile, and I'll do the same for the smoke also. Right, now I'll assign that. So when I do that, we don't really have to worry about these things actually, because it should auto destroy once it's done. Let's check. See, that's okay. One other thing, we should have some sound. So explosion sound, a small explosion actually. That's too much. Maybe we can use the same sound but with a smaller volume. How about that? Spawn sound attached. I'll use the explosion Q, volume multiplier 0.3. I didn't hear anything. Is it because I was too far? Yeah, it was. So yeah, it does have sound. Okay, so now yeah, it works. I think that's all I needed to do for today. I have enabled the silencer, and yeah, no more searchlight, but there is something odd. We should give these enemies should be alerted because someone shot the searchlight, but they are not actually doing anything now. Therefore, let's spawn some noise when the explosion happens. How should I do that? Oh, now that actually this part is useless because maybe not. Maybe in other cases also we may have to explode the light. So yeah, when it explodes, noise. Yeah, we can do this. Get the shooter. Make noise. And I should use the tag because this should be 2. If I use the tag 2, that would be like a higher threat level, but they will only know the location of the searchlight. They wouldn't know the location of the player, because if the player is using a silencer. So maybe I'll keep that and use 2000. So one limitation of this would be only if the player shoot, the noise will happen. If another NPC shoot, this noise will not actually heard, but in this case only player shoots, so it should be fine. Let me enable a silencer and no, they are not acting like they heard anything. Oh, sorry. Okay, I need to give location. Otherwise it will be spawning in 0, 0 location, which may not be heard by any enemy. See, take cover. Okay, now they saw me because they looked at this direction. Now what if I shoot them in a position like this? No? Oh. Why do they see me? They instantly see me. Oh no, they don't. Oh, now they do. Oh, because this one saw. Okay, so they didn't actually see me. They were just got alerted and started searching around. Then I saw me. And that over there is a bit misleading. Wait, I should be shooting from further away. With the silence. See, now I'm not seeing. You can't check because you are both. Okay. So they are searching around because searching for someone in the area where they heard the noise, and they heard the noise where the explosion happened, not in the location I shoot. Okay, so yeah, I think we can stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for the download in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Bye.